In your presence, that's where I am strong. In your presence, oh Lord my God, in your presence, that's where I belong. Seeking your face, touching your grace, in the cleft of the rock, in your presence, oh God, I want to go where the rivers cannot overflow me, where my feet are on the rock. I want to hide where the blazing fire cannot burn me, in your presence, oh God. That's where I am strong. In your presence, oh Lord my God, in your presence, that's where I belong. Seeking your face, touching your grace, in the cleft of the rock, in your presence, oh God. I want to hide where the flood of evil cannot reach me, where I'm covered by the blood of the Lamb. I want to be where the schemes of darkness cannot touch me, in your presence, oh God, in your presence, that's where I am strong. In your presence, oh Lord my God, in your presence, that's where I belong. Seeking your face, touching your grace, in the cleft of the rock, in your presence, oh God. You are my firm foundation. I trust in you all day long. I am your child and your servant, and you are my strength and my song. You're my song. You're my song. In your presence, that's where I am strong. In your presence, oh Lord my God, in your presence, that's where I belong. Seeking your face, touching your grace.